a friend of ours. They got a problem with their truck, and so I'm gonna spend the morning, hopefully not too long, working on that. And I hope it's just a coil or something like that. I guess if anyone needs to know, 5.3, if they need help finding a misfire. I do have a scanner, so I saw a cylinder 1 misfire. I'm going to first start off, I unplugged number 1, number 3, and I'm just going to flip those coils around and then see if it follows. If it goes to cylinder 3, I know the coil is bad. If it's not, I can switch to the wires. But a lot of times I don't start with the wires, because when you pull them off the spark plugs, they get stuck a lot of times, even if you twist them and stuff. I don't know if it's a Minnesota thing or what, but the wire will break. It'll break the end of the boot off and stuff. And then same with that. If that follows, or it doesn't follow, then do the spark plug. And then if that isn't it, it makes me a little nervous. I've worked on these. They have DOD, displacement on demand, and they notoriously do have lifter failure, and it rounds the cam off, and then you have a never-ending misfire. Usually it's really not that hard to figure out. If you pull the valve cover off, which isn't very hard on an LS, you will see it. The lifter or the rocker arm will be just dead to the world. Won't do anything. So I hope that's not it. Obviously I don't want anything worse for our friends. So yeah, we'll go with that. These are 10mm. Cylinder 1 still. Okay. It worked. That's the easiest one I think I've ever pulled. Obviously, we could have a fuel problem, an injector problem too. This is just what I've found is the fastest elimination of possible problems. Cylinder 1. So I obviously have an oil leak. I don't know how well I can see that, but might be a few things to address. Well, shoot, I was hoping that would be just a quick coil or a wire problem. Still could be a spark plug, but I'm not a replace one spark plug kind of person. You end up doing spark plugs, you're gonna do all the wires, and that's kind of the right way to do it. So I don't really want to work on other stuff when I'm doing a project like that Camaro, but you know, got friends that love and care about it, and I can save them a lot of money, so I'll do it. You can see it's pretty oily, which makes me nervous. When I worked at the shop, we had one of these where the cylinders were really egg-shaped. It was a 2007, and we ended up rebuilding that motor, and I guess it was common. Again, I'm just gonna switch number 1 and 3. Yeah, see now, look. is prep due for plugs. That gap looks smaller. It's not oily. Now the oily could just be because the spark plug is probably dead and it hasn't been firing on that cylinder, but we will see. Look at that. It's funny, it's missing. It's about the same. Okay, bad spark plug. Simple diagnosis. I'll get some plugs. We'll do the wires.